Good evening, teacher. Good evening, everyone. My name is 13. I am years old. Today I'm going to read vocabulary for you. ថ្ងៃសុក្រ200 ខែកដឹក ឆ្នាំអាសាឍ សប្បស័ក ពុទ្ធសករាជ 2569 ត្រូវនៅថ្ងៃទី 7 ខែវិច្ឆិកា ឆ្នាំ 2025 Friday 7 November 2025 Vocabulary young old big small long short happy sad bag book ruler exercise Make 5 sentences about works. Young, big, happy, book, and ruler. 1. I am young. 2. My cat is big. 3. I am so happy. 4. This is my blue book. 4. This is a blue book. 5. This is an orange ruler. Goodbye teacher, goodbye everybody, bye bye, thank you.